What's up everyone, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Realme GT. This one really looks glamorous. I really like to look at this smartphone. Yeah, if you like cars, if you know about cars, then you know what GT stands for. And here in Realme GT 5G, GT stands for speed, power. This Realme GT actually belongs to a different segment than many other smartphones within its price range. Talking about the price, can you get another Snapdragon 888 smartphone within the price range of Realme GT 5G? I don't think so. The closest one within its price range you can get is actually Redmi K40 Pro, which is not available in global market. Yeah, Xiaomi and Redmi, they have released two other different smartphones quite similar to this Redmi K40 Pro. One is Poco F3. But Poco F3 comes with Snapdragon 870 like OnePlus 9R. If you are talking about Snapdragon 888, then yeah, there is this Xiaomi Mi 11, there is a Xiaomi Mi 11i or Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro. These smartphones comes with Snapdragon 888, but price of these smartphones are way higher than Realme GT. So price wise, this one is the best. This one is the only smartphone with Snapdragon 888 chipset that's available within 400 to 500 euros. Okay, I'm not going to do a separate unboxing video. Here is all that I have got inside the box. Inside the box there is a small box which welcomes to Realme family. A Super Dirt 65-watt charger, a USB A to C Super Dirt charging cable, and obviously that amazingly gorgeous Realme GT 5G. If you are worried about charging on the go, then you can get a 30-watt Dirt power bank from Realme or 50-watt SuperVOOC power bank from Oppo. These will give you super fast charging on the go. Yes, there is a TPU silicon protective case included in the box, but I wish Realme would offer good protective cases like OnePlus, at least in limited edition. Now let me tell you, I have been using Samsung Galaxy S10, S20 Plus, S21 Plus for past 3 years. So at the beginning I was very reluctant to use Realme GT 5G as my primary drive. But after I have started to use it, this Realme GT 5G has started to surprise me. It doesn't only look amazing, it feels premium in hand, it has premium build quality and that vegan leather with black racing stripe. This is designed with precision at its perfection. Okay, I must mention that black stripe, I mean the glass underneath the camera setup, is a fingerprint or smudge magnet. Now let's talk about the camera setup. It got a Sony IMX682 main sensor. It's a 64 megapixel sensor. There is a 8 megapixel sensor tagged with a 119-degree f/v ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel sensor for macro photos. This camera setup is definitely inferior to Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. These two doesn't belong to the same segment, but Realme GT 5G performs great beside its real rivals like Redmi K40 Pro, Poco F3, Xiaomi Mi 11i, Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro. Considering the price tag, I am happy with its camera performance. On top there is nothing but a noise cancellation microphone. It looks posh, it looks clean. At the bottom there is a speaker grill, USB-C port, primary microphone and a 3.5mm port, which is a deal maker for a lot of people, and there is almost no other smartphones available with 3.5mm port in this segment. Volume rocker and a compact dual SIM tray is placed on the left side of the phone, and power button is on the right side of the phone. I always check the edges of the rear panel cause it shows how precisely it was designed and how carefully it was assembled. This Realme GT 5G is almost flawless in its design and quality. While recording this video, I have dropped this phone almost 5 to 6 times, and most of the times it was dropped like from this to this, and twice I believe that it was dropped from this almost 1 meter height, and I don't see there is any damage. I don't see any scratch. So I must say this phone is pretty durable. I personally like this type of tiny bump, or if possible no bump at all, for that rear camera setup. Xiaomi implemented bumps in a very smart way. There are two types of bumps like Xiaomi. Oppo also did the same, but those are not as lucrative and not as small as this Realme GT 5G. I know in review or comparison videos most of the time you wait for Antutu benchmark. If you have watched my other honest review videos or comparison videos, then you know that personally I don't like Antutu benchmark for a few definite reasons. Because I personally believe 3DMark, the Gamer's Benchmark, offers better and more accurate information about the whole thing. And I have ran this Wildlife Extreme Stress Test benchmark side by side on OnePlus 9 Pro and Realme GT 5G. Guess what? The end result is better on Realme GT 5G. Higher best loop, and even the lowest loop is higher on Realme GT 5G. This extreme performance converts while gaming and offers a very smooth in-game experience. When other brands are busy with external cooling, Realme did something internally. Realme did something better. It is a stainless steel VC cooling which has 42% higher proficiency than traditional copper VC cooling. Yeah, Realme GT 5G got a 1080p FHD Plus AMOLED panel, and this one supports HDR10 Plus content. It offers 120Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling, and there is O1 Ultra Vision engine. Yeah, there are two options on O1 Ultra Vision engine, HD and SD, and it works perfectly fine. Another thing in Realme GT 5G display, that is, it comes with dual ambient sensor. At the beginning I thought this is gimmicky, but after using this smartphone in different lighting conditions, I am truly amazed. It actually selects the most comfortable brightness in different type of lighting environment. The bottom chin is a bit thicker if you compare it with OnePlus 9 Pro or other super flagships, but bezels and front cam punch hole is almost the same. I will let you enjoy and compare display quality of Realme 5G GT side by side with OnePlus 9 Pro. Truly, the differences are not anything like drastic or visible. Now let us select 120Hz high refresh rate. Oh yes, Realme GT 5G has this DC dimming or low light anti-flickering option. It is very difficult to portray the smoothness or that real-time feelings through a video. Even if I try to show you slow motion, you would never have the real feel. I can only say it's snappy, it's smooth. Like most other flagships, Realme GT 5G also comes with stereo speaker setup. One is at the bottom and the second one is actually the earpiece. This stereo speaker setup supports Dolby Atmos and high-res audio. I will let you listen to a music on OnePlus 9 Pro and then Realme GT 5G. You decide whether there is any big difference or not. If we compare Realme GT 5G with OnePlus 9 Pro, then other than that camera and display, this Realme GT 5G will fight neck and neck, and considering the price, this Realme GT 5G is a steal. Beside this global edition of Realme GT 5G, there is no other true competitor available at this moment. Some of the smartphones doesn't have that flagship SoC. Some of the smartphones got a fat and thick price tag. And some other smartphones really doesn't perform as good as expected. So let us recap. Cheaper price, faster speed, better cooling, standard camera, super fast charging, longer battery endurance time, flagship class display, and build quality. For now, this is my primary drive until I get a better solution. So what do you think about this Realme GT 5G? Don't be shy. Please make a comment and let me know in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.
Dusk is turning